Let's make a Greta Garbo. To make this drink, we're going to start by washing the glass with absinthe. And the official glass is a coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral coupe. You don't have to use an Anderson Ancestral coupe, even though they're Swedish. You can use any kind of coupe that you want. But to wash the glass, we're going to put about 1/4 ounce of our absinthe into the bottom of the glass. I'm going to set that aside because it's got a strong. And we're going to slowly rotate it around, getting it closer and closer to the edge. Oh. And then when we're done with that, we're supposed to flick it. I'm not going to flick this at you or at the wall. I'm going to flick it into the sink. I'll be right back. Glass flicked, I'm going to set it aside for a moment. And we're going to shake this cocktail. First thing I'm going to do though is get some ice. Now I'm going to take 1.5 ounces of my rum and put that into the shaker. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Three-quarters of an ounce of your Luxardo. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And yes, I know I'm doing this out of order. I should be doing the other ingredients first, but whatever. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And my simple syrup. 1-to-1 simple syrup. We're going to put in 1/2 ounce, which is 15 milliliters. I will set my shaker aside. Set my jigger aside. I'll add my ice. And I'll give this a shake. Bring back my glass, and I'm going to double strain this into my coupe. I'm supposed to do some sort of tapping thing, aren't I? Tap, 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 tap. Set those aside. And a garnish. Garnish is going to be star anise. I'm going to float that right on the top. And there you have it, a Greta Garbo. Drink with good spirits.